The Xfinity box repeatedly prompting for voice guidance, even after you've disabled it, is a common issue. This usually happens because of caching glitches, unpaired or faulty remotes, or conflicts with other apps or devices connected to your TV. The voice guidance feature is designed to assist visually impaired users by narrating on-screen menus, but these persistent prompts can be frustrating. Recent updates have aimed to fix this, but it still affects a small percentage of users. To disable voice guidance using your remote, press the A button on your Xfinity remote, then navigate to Voice Guidance and toggle it off. Make sure your remote is properly paired by holding the Setup button until the light blinks. For a power cycle, simply unplug your Xfinity box from the power source for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears any temporary data that might be causing the prompts to persist. You can also use the Xfinity My Account app to remotely adjust your accessibility settings, including turning off voice guidance from your mobile device. If other methods don't work, perform a factory reset on your box. If the issue persists, contact Xfinity support for help from a technician, or check your HDMI cable for any connection problems.